Today we're going to go through a little update, a little journey. We're going to take a look at one of my old quads. This is the Whisper 1S HDZERO, and it's cute and little. So that's basically the footage today we're going to be looking at. Now we have the all-in-one, the 5-in-1, so that would actually make this probably a lot better. Because although it is fun, it struggles. And 1S can struggle the moment it's a little bit too heavy. So it's still fun. It's kind of like a way back playback because I have the footage and I want to show you something. But then, while we're at that, let's show you what we're doing. With the Whisper frame, it's getting updated. It's like with this, you just have the frame and you have prints. It holds 1S batteries. And it's very nice. And this is the same thing that I've built the naked GoPro Whisper on. So this is the 2S version where it holds a 2S battery and a naked GoPro, and you can get this build under 100 grams. You can get 90 grams pretty easily, 95 really easy, and this basically takes a 2S battery, has a GoPro, and it's basically a Mobula 8 stripped, put on the Whisper with these prints and a naked GoPro. If you wanted to get this, the whole thing with the naked GoPro 9, I'm selling this one for $600. Naked GoPro, analog setup, 2S. You have to get your own batteries. You have to get the specific batteries I tell you to. But if you want one of these, I'm selling this one to help fund some more projects. Moving forward, we're working towards developing the cycle a little bit more. I'm going to work towards seeing if we can get a 1S on a 2.5, if that even makes sense. Otherwise, well, we got to see. We got to see if it feels underpowered. I want to make like a little mini, something that you can fly and practice, be analog, not really care. That's what the Discus is anyways, but just to have something even smaller. Then we got my first 5-inch, the Manta SE, which I think is the best value out there, like $200. $200 for a 5-inch. You can't really beat that. I have a link to it on my website, so go into my website, give that a read. There's lots of recommendations, but it's big and heavy, so it got me thinking. I was gonna start chopping it apart, designing new prints for it and everything. And I was going to make a video about that, but then I'm just like, you know what, I'm going to make my own 5-inch frame so that I can review more products and build a 5-inch frame. So basically we got the Freestyles that are really heavy, we got the Races that's really light, but not as much protection. You see right here, the motors need protection in the front, but they always stick them on the side, so you can still smack a motor right in the front very easily. But with my new Freestyle frame, which is basically a bigger Discus, you see we got those beautiful boots that protect the motors where you're going to smack them on the sides, in the front. This is going to be super light, and it's kind of like a little cross between a racer and a Freestyle. I'm starting off with 5 of them, so 2 of those are mine. If you want one, let me know, but I have to see how strong it is. We're starting off with 4.5 millimeter thickness. It is a unibody. I'm going to do them in regular formation, but then eventually I'm going to turn it into a pusher because I really like pushers, and I think that this is the perfect way to, like, let's say film drifting cars. You have a tight, fast with a GoPro on there on top, and it's just going to be very, very nice. And this summer, hopefully we will be filming some drifting cars, maybe going on a trip to Montreal to visit Tommy. And we have our first collaboration with T-Motor. We're going to be building their with their 5-inch power combo, and that's nice because basically you could get the Manta SE and transfer everything over to Le Push. Le Push is the name of the 5-inch frame, but it's not F7, like it's all kind of like really cheap parts. And this, I believe, is like around $150 or something like that, and you get 4 motors, an F7 stack. So if you're able to get all that stuff kind of in one nice little package, why not? So we're gonna try it out. The thing is that the motors here they're not Unibel, neither are those, but the bumpers are gonna keep the motors safe, or at least I believe so. So that's coming up in the future. Make sure you bloody subscribe. Less than 50% of you are subscribed to me. So it's just like, it's not fair. It hurts. It really hurts. Please subscribe, because when you subscribe, it helps me do a little bit better. This channel currently is making me like $50 a month, and I put a lot of time and love into it. I hope you can see that love. So subscribe and enjoy the little medley video of this little 1S HDZERO footage. Thank you. Smoochy, smoochy. What do we do at the end of the video? Is it stopped? Has it stopped? Gotta look at the back of the camera. It's done. Are you done? Okay, it did it. It did it. If you're pretty new to FPV, go through my whole beginner playlist, because it just helps you with a lot of things, a lot of little things. There's soldering tutorial. There's a tutorial that teaches you how to build a drone from scratch as if you were a child, so you can start building your own drone. And if you enjoy being entertained and like FPV stories, then oh, well, you got to go through the FPV story playlist. I'll put both of those playlists at the end of this video. Enjoy. Okay, okay. Yay!
Everywhere I go, every step I take, I'm falling deeper. Looking in your eyes, loving all your signs, I'm only keeper. I just wanna love, 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 that it feels like true. Tell me that you love, 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 to make me choose. 'Cause every day and every night I feel lonely by your side. Don't let me down. I used to know that you just here to let me go. I don't wanna feel lonely, lonely. I don't wanna feel lonely. Everywhere I go, every step I take, I'm falling deeper. Looking in your eyes, loving all your signs, I'm only keeper. I just wanna love, that it feels like true. Tell me that you love, to make me choose. 'Cause every day and every night I feel lonely by your side. Don't let me down. I used to know that you were just here to let me go.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets.